Hi everyone and welcome to Soothing Mandala. I am Sulagna and I am so excited to share my mandala journey with you. This is my very first episode and today I want to introduce myself and tell you how I found my passion for dot mandala art. By profession, I was a software engineer. In the year 2019, I stumbled upon the world of dot mandalas. I was fascinated by how a simple dot could transform into an intricate, beautiful design. The symmetry, the creativity, and the meditative process drew me in instantly. At first, it was just a hobby. I started practicing, experimenting with different design, and sharing my work online. In January 6, 2020, I launched my YouTube channel, Creations by Sulagna, where I posted my creative exploration. It was just a space where I expressed myself without any rules, just colors, patterns, and dots coming together. But something changed in me in 2023. I realized that mandala art wasn't just a hobby for me anymore. It was a source of peace, mindfulness, and deep personal fulfillment. The process of creating each mandala helped me relax, stay present, and appreciate the beauty in simplicity. By the end of 2023, I made a life changing decision. I left my job to follow my passion full time. It wasn't an easy choice, but it felt right. To refine my skill, I trained under experienced dot mandala artist, learning new technique and deepening my understanding for this beautiful art form. And now here I am, sharing my journey with you through this podcast. Soothing Mandala is a space for creativity, mindfulness, and inspiration. In future episode, I will talk about the benefits of mandala art, share tips and techniques, and explore how this simple yet powerful practice can bring calmness and joy to your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you are curious about dot mandala or looking for a creative escape, you are in the right space. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay present. See you in my next episode. Bye bye.